Hi there, it's Sean Mosh from SeanMosh.com. I have been talking a lot about different types of fonts, cutting fonts, writing fonts. If you haven't seen the information over on my site about fonts, just head over to SeanMosh.com and in the search bar, type in font or even writing, and you're going to find my tutorial that will help you understand the difference between a writing font and a cutting font. In that tutorial, I talked about downloading fonts, and somebody asked me, well, how do you even do that? So let's do that real quick. I am just going to type in some text. I cleared all my filters first, and then if we look at these different fonts, the ones with the little arrow, that's telling me I can download it, and that says that the font is downloaded. If you see a little computer screen, that means I have already downloaded that font. So if I download these fonts, then I go and turn off my internet connection. So now it says, okay, you've lost your connection. Only certain features will be available. So now, see how it kind of automatically is showing my downloaded fonts. These are my system fonts, which obviously I can use when I'm offline because those are on my computer. So when you're offline and not connected to the internet, all you will be able to see are your downloaded fonts because those are the only fonts you have the ability to use because you're not connected to the internet anymore. Does that make sense? Boy, I hope so. If not, ask me questions because that's how I know what you want to learn about. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I love to hear from you.